Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And it's a third day in UAE, and we are here in Dubai Hindu Temple, which was recently inaugurated by our own Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji. So, the first thing, please do not carry your cameras, please do not carry anything apart from your phones, which is not allowed. You have to keep it back in your car or you have to leave it back. So, I would recommend not to carry it inside, otherwise, they will lock your whole bag. Good thing is you will be given with a water bottle at the entrance, which is a very good thing, which you can't really see in other places, not just the temples but any other places anywhere else. Mandir which is over there, and we have a church just in front of this. You can also get the prasadam over here. So good, good. We have a fountain at the entrance. You just have to leave your shoes over there. You can wash your hands. This is the first view. So you also have this facility where if there is a wheelchair, they can come in the mini lift. The way they have created this temple is extraordinary. I mean, you are not allowed to make videos inside, but if you want to make videos, you can come out. You can make it from outside. All these bricks, say example, this is a portion. So they have made all these things in Rajasthan. They bought it in a ship container. They have all fixed it here. So if you see here, you can see the gap if you see. So they have completely built in India, and we can say it completely built in India and assembled in UAE. So have lift, so not to worry if you can't climb the stairs, you can use the lifts. Believe it or not, this water what you are looking at is from Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. The biggest Hindu Mandir in Abu Dhabi, or I can say the Middle East. It is so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow. They give up rice and paisa. The fountain at Yes Mall. This is Ferrari World, and this is Ferrari World Mall. We are not going to Ferrari World. Most of the things in Ferrari World is closed, hence we are not going to Ferrari World. We just came in to see in the mall. There are some things like there is a car in the mall which we can see. We can just take a picture of that, and that is what we are going to do. But we are not going to Ferrari World. It is not worth the money to visit Ferrari World at this moment, as most of them are closed. So, just welcome to the Ferrari World. The entrance of the Ferrari World, and we have a F1 car over here, which is just for a show. I think it's not. It is a one. It is a very old one, not a recent one. So we are in Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. This is one of the largest mosques in this region of Abu Dhabi. So when you come over here, you have to come to the end and you have to get your tickets over there. So my sister is getting. So you have to get your tickets. It's just that you have to get your name registered and nationality, just for security purpose. These are the do's and don'ts of the mosque. They are not allowed. The red ones are not allowed. So don't come like this. If you are coming over here, make sure you wear the proper dress and you follow the culture what has been maintained here. So if you see, the construction began in 1996, until it finished in 2007. Tolerance path andre?
ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಇದು ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಥೀಮ್ಸು ಥೀಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ದಟ್ ಥೀಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಜೀರೋ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ.
So, welcome to Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. So this is one of the biggest mosques around this area, where around 40,000 Muslims can pray at a single time. The entire mosque is built from the white marbles, pure white marbles. So this mosque has around 82 domes with various size, and the biggest one is at center with 32.6 meter, and the highest is which is that, and it is at a height of 82 meters. So this is the carpet which is made by Iranians, and they consider it as one of the world's largest carpet made by the Iranians. Are in Emirates Palace in the Kingdom of UAE, Abu Dhabi. ये कितना पुराना है?
ये भी नया बना है। इतना ज़्यादा पुराना नहीं है।
पुराना नहीं है?
नहीं है। अब
तो
इसका
ये होटल है ना?
पहले बाद में कन्वर्ट टू होटल, अच्छे टूरिस्ट के लिए भी उन्होंने छोड़ कर दिया। पहले कोई गेस्ट जैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर कोई आता था, वो उधर
रहने आता था
कंट्री में, जैसे इंडिया में मोदी है, वो आएगा पहले आता था इधर ही गेस्ट का, जैसे उसके
अभी कहाँ रखता है गेस्ट आया तो पैलेस में
अलग
आपने दिखाया
कसर अलग या अलग उनके लिए अलग उन्होंने अभी बना दिया।
इसलिए आपने बना ही दिया।
हाँ।